These are Chipotle chicken tacos, and everything about them is just incredible. Wow. In a blender, we're gonna toss in a whole lot of Chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. To this, I'm gonna add a couple cloves of heartburn. And just a quick tip, if your garlic is going bad, you could toss it in the freezer. I'm gonna introduce a little bit of white vinegar and then just drizzle in a little bit of oil. Give this a nice quick pull, and you wanna keep working it until it's nice and smooth. At this time, you wanna grab a little bit of that Chipotle pepper paste and just toss it in with a little mayo. Now you have an incredibly easy but delicious Chipotle mayo. Always, always, always cover your sauce and put it in the fridge. That way it'll be 10 times better when you're ready to eat it. Our protein of choice is gonna be boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Hit these with the rest of your marinade. Again, salt this directly so you get the perfect amount. And now we marinate until we lose patience. It's officially time to toss them on the grill. Two necessary tips I got for you. Do not scorch them on a very high heat. Cook on a medium high. Get nice grill marks like this, and just look how juicy that meat is. Now, allow your chicken to rest as we assemble everything else. Start with flour tortilla. On one side, introduce the Chipotle mayo. Add your cubed rested chicken. Finish off with your choice of cheese. Fold it on itself. And now we toast. I'm using a panini press, but use whatever vessel you got. Oh my gosh. And as always, now bismillah. Wow. I don't know about taco, these feel more like a mini quesadilla, but nonetheless, the chicken is the star of the show, and the cheese and sauce make it just perfect. I use mozzarella on this taco. I hope it has a cheese pull.